Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, that's a great one. I like putting this one on the test. And it does our volume of revolution and improper integrals all at the same time. Okay, volume of revolution just says the integral from a to b, pi f of x squared dx. Okay, the problems on my practice test are problems everyone's missed on the past, like lots and lots of problems. That's the wrong way to say that. The majority of the problems on my test are problems the majority of the class missed. I'm sure there's plenty of people who got them right, but the people who are going to get 100 are probably going to get 100 without my help. So these are the ones I think you should study. If you don't have it yet, I'll email it out again tonight. Go through my practice test. It's not good enough to just go through it once and be able to get through it with someone's help. You have to be able to go through it without anyone's help. If you can't go through and do each problem by yourself without anyone telling you, I mean, it's okay if you got help the first time or the second time, but you need to go through it at least one time yourself with no help, and then you're probably ready to take the test. Clear?
Clear.
Great. So this is going to be pi. We're going to go from 0 to infinity. I've got e to the negative x squared dx. The trickiest part on this is knowing that a power to a power multiplies. So this is pi, the integral from 0 to infinity, e to the negative 2x dx. So far, so good? Yeah? No? I hope so. Now, I'm going to do it wrong, how I see most people do it wrong, and I want you to see that it's wrong.
So don't copy this.
Don't copy this down. This is wrong. I will cry if you do this on your test. No. No, 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 no. What's the derivative of e to the x? E to the x, right? So you didn't change the power, so you shouldn't change the power. It's just over negative 2. Whew. Do that. Don't do it wrong. Don't be that kid. Hey, we've all been that kid before. Maybe not you guys. Maybe you guys are way better at this than I am, but I've definitely been that kid. I'm really good at adding one to the negative power and making it more negative. No. Okay. Now I rewrite it because limits at infinity are easiest when they're in fraction form. You guys remember my rules? If the bottom is bigger than the top, it goes to 0. If they're equal, it goes to the coefficients. And if the top is bigger, it goes to infinity. Here's how you know if the integral diverges. If any part of the integral goes to infinity or negative infinity, the entire thing diverges. You don't even have to do the rest of it. You just need to know if one part of it goes to infinity or even negative infinity. Who understands?
Can you repeat that one more time?
Yep. If any part of your integral goes to infinity or negative infinity, it diverges.
Could you maybe show us what you mean by that?
In a minute.
Could you maybe dance for us?
I could do lots of things for you. But first, we're going to get this done. Okay, follow, guys. Negative pi over 2e to the infinity. Plus pi over 2e to the 0. Okay, guys. What's e to the infinity? A really, 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 really big number. Ridiculously large number. So this is like negative pi over infinity. plus pi. What's e to the 0?
1.
Yes. So then this is just going to be 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, follow me on this. If I have 1 pi and infinitely many football players, how much pi do I get?
None.
None. So this goes to 0. And the answer is pi halves. You want to do one that diverges? We'll do one that diverges. And then we'll do u sub versus parts.
Wait, that one didn't converge?
No, that converged to pi halves.
Oh, yeah, I get you.
Okay,
I feel
that was 15, 16, 17, 18.
invert.
We're doing good. Okay. Try this one. What's the integral of 1 over x dx? Excellent. Okay, I'm going to put infinity in. What's the ln of infinity?
Infinity.
Infinity. Okay. Infinity means diverges. Are we okay? They're having a good time out in the hall. Yes.
So it can be approaching 0, or it can be just a fraction, but it can never be infinity.
Nope. If it's infinity, that means it diverges. All right, shall we do some u sub versus parts? Yeah. Oh, and we're going to, oh yeah, oh, you're going to love this problem. I just know it.
I already love it.
Yeah. Hey, I'm planning a barbecue for us. I hope you guys want to come. We can burn our homework, and if you'd like, you can burn your textbook. And I was thinking we'll have a good time, have a big bonfire, throw up some marshmallows.
Michelle, it tells 2 over x will be 2 ln.
Yep. Okay.
Good question.
The integral. Okay. If you've already seen this one, good for you. This is on every test. I've never seen a test without this problem. If that doesn't tell you to pay attention, I don't know what does. This is on the test. I've never seen a test without it. It's on the practice test. These are hard, I know, but you can do hard things, just like in general conference. See, spiritually uplifting. Oh. Okay, ready? I'm ready. All right, we're going to rock this. This is a U sub. This is tricky. Do you remember the rules I gave you? Is there a natural log or a log?
No.
Is there an exponential?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to use 2 colors on this problem because that's how special it is.
All right.
I hope one of these works. Later, Elliot. Oh yeah. I hope this is going to work out.
Ready? Switch.
So my u equals the square root of y, which is the same thing as y to the 1/2. Now I want to be very clear. It is only the square root of y in the exponential. It is not the one on the bottom. It is only the one in the power. I'm going to say that like 10 more times. It is only the one in the power.